In 2021, I was at a point where I thought, you know what? I think I could maybe quit my day job. You know what it was? So I'm the mother of a 22-year-old son. He turned 22 today. It's his birthday. Happy birthday, Andrew. And he went to school in 2021. He went to college. He goes to FIT, which is the Fashion Institute of Technology in New York. And he's a designer. I would say like his mama, but he's far surpassed his mama in terms of skills. But once I was able to pay for that first semester and see that I didn't have to live on rice and beans, I thought, okay, maybe I could make a go of this full time. So I quit my job and I said, all right, if I go broke at the end of the year, then I'll just get another job. But I didn't go broke, and we've been growing every year since 2021, and now here we are. I cannot believe it's 2025, and I'm just so excited for what's coming this year.